Wouldn't it be great if you could divert at least part of the time you spend staring at your phone playing game apps to win money? You're on your phone anyway, you may as well earn some cash while you're at it. That's why we put together this list of the best game apps to help you win money today. While these game apps won't be earning you enough to quit your day job, they can be a nice way to take a break and earn some extra cash. You can use it as some fun money or add it to your savings account. Best game apps to win money. There are lots of apps that can earn you money just for using them. If you find you're spending many hours mindlessly playing Candy Crush or Two Dots, try switching to one of the options in this video. This way, you'll actually make money and have some mindless fun while you play. Payouts vary for each app and are anywhere from pennies to a few dollars at a time. Pick a couple of options from the video and try them out. You may even find a few new favorite game apps to win money. 1. Mistplay. Mistplay calls itself a loyalty program for gamers. You'll be able to discover new games, play the games and earn points for doing so. You can use your points to get free rewards such as gift cards to popular retailers like Amazon, Visa, Xbox, Starbucks, Google Play, iTunes, and more. The games you're shown on Mistplay are chosen based on your gaming preferences and habits. This means Mistplay works hard to select games you'll like to play. Joe C. says on his Google Play review, "So, as far as apps that give you real money, this is about as generous as I've seen. If you casually play a few hours here and there, you can easily get $5 in a week." 2. Swagbucks. There are many different ways to earn while using the Swagbucks app, and games are just one of the many options. You'll get rewarded with Swagbucks, which can be redeemed for prizes or gift cards to major retailers like Starbucks, Amazon, Walmart and so on. One of the cool ways you can earn Swagbucks is by playing free games such as Swagasaurus Run or Swag Memory. There is a daily limit on how many Swagbucks you can earn from each game, so you may want to come back every day to increase your earnings. 3. Lucktastic. Are you addicted to scratch-off games? Lucktastic is a free game that can help you satisfy that desire and win money without actually buying physical tickets. Prizes can go up to $10,000, so you have a chance of making some real money. You can also redeem your winnings for gift cards and other prizes. Most cash payouts are under 25 cents, but if you get lucky several times, it can add up quickly. You can win points, too, which can be redeemed for prizes in the prize store. 4. Boodle. Boodle is a free app that will reward you for trying out new apps and games. You'll earn Boodle coins every time you try out a new game or app. And you can earn coins for other activities too, such as answering questions, completing special offers, discovering deals and referring friends. You can use the coins you earn to get gift cards to retailers like Chipotle, Nike, Amazon and more. This app is only available for Android. 5. Inbox Dollars. If you'd rather get cash than coins or rewards points, check out Inbox Dollars. This free app offers a great selection of both free and paid games you can play to earn cash. Unlike other apps, you can redeem your earnings for actual dollars. There are more than 30 free games you can play, including word search, pool, chase, Sudoku, card games and more. The average earnings per activity range from 25 cents to $5, so it's easy for your money to grow. Once you're ready to cash out, you can withdraw the cash and deposit it into your checking account or savings account. You can also check out some of the other ways to earn money with Inbox Dollars, including surveys, web searches and more. 6. GameHag. GameHag is a great Google Play app to play games, fill out surveys, and even make YouTube videos and trade for cryptocurrency gems. You can turn those gems into Steam Wallet money. The app is rated teen. Generally, games take 20 minutes. The number of games is endless. From puzzles to mobile games to 3D graphics, and virtual reality games. Therefore offering lots of fun ways to make money. For anyone who plays games on a daily basis, this is a must-have. 7. HQ. Do you love showing off your trivia knowledge? If that's the case, you should definitely give HQ a try. This fun, fast-paced trivia game allows you to compete and win cash prizes. Players have 10 seconds to answer each multiple-choice question. The app takes the form of a live game show, which airs at 9 p.m. Eastern Time daily. There's usually another show at 3 p.m. Eastern on weekdays as well. You'll need to answer 12 questions to be entered to win the grand prize, which goes to the person who answers all of them correctly. However, if multiple people answer all questions correctly, the prize is split between all respective winners. Daily prizes go up to $5,000, with a $25,000 prize on Sundays. Occasionally, prizes can be much higher, up to $400,000. 8. Long Game. While long game can be a fun way to pass the time, It can also help you achieve your financial goals. To get started, you need to verify your identity and link your bank account to the app. Next up, you need to set a savings goal, such as saving for a car down payment. Then decide on how much you want to be added to your account each payday. Every time you add money to your account, you'll earn coins to play games for cash prizes. All the money you're putting into your in-app savings account belongs to you. The account is FDIC insured for an added layer of protection and peace of mind. 9. Swag IQ. Do you love the thrill of a good game show? Check out the free Swag IQ app for the chance to test your knowledge on a live trivia game show. You can earn cash just for playing, and a grand prize if you answer all questions correctly. In true game show format, you'll be presented with a series of trivia questions and multiple choice answers for each one. You get only 10 seconds to select your answer. Be sure to make a selection before the 10 seconds run out or you'll be out of the running for the grand prize. Even if you don't make it all the way to the top, you can earn Swag IQ's digital currency for answering questions correctly. You can use it to get a second chance to win the grand prize or redeem for cash or gift cards. 10. Bananatic. If you would like to be one of the first to play a new game and provide your feedback, check out Bananatic. This app is used by game developers for testing their new games and getting reviews and suggestions on improvements. It's also a fun community of gamers who can meet each other through the app, discuss the games, bugs, game development, and so on. What's more, you get rewarded in the game's virtual currency for playing games, advancing levels, and writing reviews. You can redeem your winnings for digital content, premium games, and even gift cards. 11. Solitaire Cube. For those of us who are card fanatics, Solitaire Cube is a great way to test your card skills and keep your brain sharp. If you love killing time playing solitaire and want to win cash, then this game is perfect. Solitaire Cube is like regular solitaire but faster and you can play against another person. What we love about the game powered by skills is that it pairs you with other players that match your skill. This keeps it fair and engaged. There are 2 ways to play: Practice League and Pro League. Practice is straight up practice and pays out with Z coins. Pro allows you to play with real cash and even play in tournaments for people 17 years and older. To cash out, simply do so with your PayPal account. Note: cash tournaments are not available in AS, AR, CT, DE, FL, IN, LA, ME, MT, SC, SD and TN. 12. Pool Payday. Rack them up and get ready to play 8-ball billiards. Billiards lovers will truly enjoy this game. Pool Payday and even win cash. You can compete in one-on-one live games for fun, for profit, and even both. The game is fairly easy to play. And we love how it gives you an overhead line of sight, helping you line up the cue ball. When your ball lands in the pocket, the crowd cheers and you receive points. To practice, play offline. To compete and take home potential cash, choose the online option for players 17 and older. Payout options are PayPal and Apple Pay. Note: cash tournaments are not available in AS, AR, CT, DE, FL, IN, LA, ME, MT, SC, SD and TN. 13. Brain Battle. Brain Battle has already given away tens of thousands of dollars to lucky players. They do this by sharing back a portion of the advertising revenue with one lucky winner. There are no in-app purchases and no playing to win. All you need to do is download this free app and play any of the games to collect tickets. You need to get at least 1 ticket to be entered into the cash prize drawings. The more tickets you have, the higher your chance of winning the grand prize. The money is paid out through a PayPal money transfer. 14. Lucky Day. Feeling that gambling itch? Check out the Lucky Day app, which brings the casino to the palm of your hand. Choose from a variety of casino games, including slots, raffles, scratch-offs and more. You have the chance to win real cash prizes, including a daily drawing for $100,000. Even if you don't walk away with the grand prize, you'll still earn points that can be used toward gift cards to popular retailers such as Amazon. You can also use the points to enter raffles, sweepstakes and lottery drawings. New scratch cards are available every day, so you may want to come back and try your luck again if you didn't win the previous day. 15. Givling. If you're struggling with student loan or mortgage debt, give the Givling app a try. You can play free trivia games to win 4- and 5-digit cash payouts. You only get 10 seconds to answer each question, so there's no option to cheat by doing a quick online search. If you play the free trivia game at least 10 times every 30-day period, you'll be included in a $10,000 random drawing. Another way to get cash is to join the funding queue for either student loans or mortgage payouts. Your goal should be to get to the top of the queue by completing certain actions such as interacting with ads, participating in sponsorship offers, and so on. If you get to the top, you have a shot at winning $50,000 to use toward your student loans or mortgage. 16. PCH Games. This app is run by the Publishers Clearinghouse, or PCH for short. Go to PCH Games to get access to scratch cards and instant win games where you could win up to $2,500. Some of the games available within the app include Mahjong, Solitaire, slots, and more. You'll earn tokens that can be used to enter prize drawings. If you're really lucky, you could win prizes up to $1 million. Aside from getting lucky with a top prize, you can also redeem your points for fun giveaways such as gift cards and merchandise. 17. Big Time Cash. With more than 600 fun games, the Big Time Cash app has something for everyone. When you play any of the games, you'll collect tickets. Use them to enter the frequent cash prize drawings. The more tickets you can put in, the better your chance of winning. There are no in-app upgrades or purchases. You don't have to pay to enter any of the drawings, everything is completely free. Since the app uses part of its advertising dollars to fund the prizes, the more people who join, the bigger the payouts. 18. Pogo. The Pogo app has a mix of both free and paid game options. There are many different choices, from arcade games to card favorites. The free version allows you to play a variety of games to earn points and enter drawings. The paid version allows you to enter tournaments and compete for additional points. It also provides an ad-free playing experience and offers access to additional games. With both versions, you can enter a daily drawing to win $50. In addition, you can score a $500 jackpot just for playing games. 19. Blast. The Blast app allows you to save, earn, and win cash for playing games. To get started, you connect this free app to your checking account and allow it to transfer small sums into a high-yield Blast savings account. You'll earn different amounts by playing a variety of games or completing missions. For example, you can earn 25 cents for connecting candy, make 5 cents for collecting coins, or get $1 for conquering a particularly difficult level. In addition, you earn experience points within the app for every mission you complete and for every dollar you save. As you accumulate more points, you'll climb the leaderboard for a chance to win one of 3 prizes. First place wins $1,000, second place wins $50, and third place gets $25. Note that Blast is only available for Android phones at the moment. There's a waitlist to get the iOS version when it comes out. The bottom line, if you're looking for some free game apps that can help you pass the time and also earn some cash, there are plenty of options. Each game app is a little different and offers a unique opportunity to collect points, coins, etc., which you can use toward prizes, cash, or gift cards. Some of the apps also offer the chance to win substantial amounts that can help you pay off your student loans, your mortgage, or just pad your savings account. If there is a particular type of game that you enjoy playing, such as a trivia or game show format, there are certainly options available that are free and can win you real money. If you find yourself spending hours on your phone surfing the web mindlessly or scrolling through social media, try one of these apps instead. The payouts can add up pretty quickly over time and give you some extra spending cash. And you never know, you may be one of the lucky grand prize winners with the chance of scoring up to $1 million. Have you played any of these free game apps? What was your experience? Share your feedback on one of Well Kept Wallet's social media channels.